Is purple one of your favorite colors, Angela? Oh, no, let's keep it. I may regret doing this on my white sewing table. YouTube.
No.
No? It sounds like it.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Soebbing from Quilt Addicts Anonymous, and this is the Future Quilter. And today we're continuing our Crafting with Kids series, and it's a hot mess always. So what are we making today, Angela? Slime. So we went to the office supply store tonight to get some stuff for the shop, and they had these fabulous displays. Their merchandising department is really right on because they had these bright, colorful slime kits right at eye level for children. So we picked up a box of this rainbow glue and eye wash for contacts, which is apparently all you need. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so I tried to make slime before using spray starch and it did not turn out. So we're gonna test this out. Hopefully it'll work. If it does, you can try it at home.
I'm ready.
You're ready? Okay, so the instructions are, it's 6 steps. So if you can keep a 4-year-old entertained for 6 steps, that's good. All right, so the first thing we have to do is we have to pour the whole bottle of Elmer's glue into a container. You want to do this one first? Okay, I just grabbed whatever we had around the house. All right, you ready? We don't need that part yet. Okay, we're gonna unscrew this. Right?
Me.
Okay, I want you to squeeze it out in there. You do that? Good job. You gotta get all of it in there. Keep squeezing. Good job. Ooh, what color is that? Is that all the glue? It's most of the glue. So, step 2 is to add half a tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. All right, I'm gonna kind of eyeball what I think a half is. All right, you ready to mix this up? All right, Mama's gonna hold it, okay?
I'm going to mix it.
You mix it. Here, we got a cat here. It's fine. Keep going. You're good. Good job. All right, now we need 1 1/4 teaspoon or tablespoon of this tablespoon before, just in case you didn't know. 1 1/4 tablespoon of contact lens solution. This part's a mommy job, okay? You can stir it up, but Mama's gonna add it in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this to the top.
Oh. Done. Everything done.
And then I'm gonna kind of eyeball. I guess that looks a little bit like a quarter. Okay. You ready to stir it up? Here, stir it up. Ooh, it's getting slimy. All right, we're supposed to mix this until it starts to get hard. I feel like part of it is there, but not all of it. Maybe get a little bit more.
It's running 90.
It is getting slimy. Okay, it is looking more gelatinous. You ready? We get to touch it now. You ready? Okay, hang on. Let me get it out just in case it's messy. Okay, so now we're supposed to take the slime out. Let Mama do it just in case it's really gross. It needs to be mixed more. Oh, it's very slimy. All right, we're supposed to knead this with our hands. You know what knead means? Knead means you squeeze it like this. Oh, look at that. Here, it's not ready yet. We gotta squeeze it. Don't pull it. Just squeeze it. These are always turned into a hot mess right about now. Hey, no, it's not done yet. You gotta keep squeezing it. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be this sticky. Is that funny? Yeah. You're not allowed to touch anything after this. Are you having fun getting messy? I feel like it's getting a little less sticky, maybe, but our hands are still very disgusting. Here, you gotta quit pulling it, honey. We're supposed to knead it together, not pull it apart. It's not ready to pull apart yet. There we go.
And then we have to wash them.
Sit up.
We have to wash our hands.
Eventually. I think we're gonna wait till we're all done because it's still pretty sticky. Here, you wanna squeeze it like this? See, it's getting a lot better and it'll get some of the stuff off your hands. They're not as messy anymore, see? It's like getting off the nasty parts or getting off Mama's hands. See? Ooh. I did not think this was gonna happen.
My turn.
See, it's getting that sticky ooiness off now that it's all together. I think we successfully made slime, Angela.
Yeah. Let's do another one.
You gonna do another color? Okay, let me get it off of Mommy's hands.
Let's do blue.
What color is that? It's not blue. What color is that?
Pink.
Pink, you're right.
Let's do pink.
Okay. So at the end, we're supposed to mix all these colors together to have a multicolored slime. So I'm going to just put this in here, put it off to the
I
side.
got it.
And we're gonna repeat with the other colors. All right, fill it up.
And let's do it down.
Now it's not time yet. We gotta add some baking soda next, okay? I didn't think. We can't put contact solution in here because that would be gross.
That'd be gross.
It would be very gross. So we're gonna do this over the other one. And pour out half a teaspoon of baking soda. So this is about half. I'm just gonna pour half in there and we'll do that one next one. This can't be too precise. It's slime.
I want to touch it.
Although it's probably chemistry. So who knows?
What's this big mess?
It is a big mess, but it's fun, isn't it? Oh, hang on. Let's not lift it too far up. Mommy doesn't want to get stuff all over our table. We can avoid it. Let's add one. All right, you ready to just put this together? You ready? You want to do the sticky part? Come on, we gotta pick it up. You ready? You want to be all sticky?
Mm-hmm.
This is fun. All right, you ready to make the last color?
Yeah.
Ready? Help me squeeze. All right, so this time I just have the leftover baking soda in there first because I didn't want to pour it back in. It's not ready yet. Put that down.
You see that rabbit?
So we're in the sunroom. It's my craft room, and there's a little bunny outside the window right now. It's actually kind of a big bunny. You got some on you? That's all right. We'll get it off later.
Yeah.
Mommy will clean it all later.
Ew.
Is it a good yuck?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Here, help me stir. All right, you ready to add the last bit?
Yeah.
Make it sticky or slimy? Kitty, trust me, you do not want to be in the slime. Okay, we'll do one more. This part's a mommy job. Alrighty, ready? Stir it up.
The last one
Really good. All right, now we gotta knead it together. Ooh, this one's real slimy. Okay, you ready for the last step? We're gonna put them all together. Let's see, it says since they're all created, we're supposed to lay them on top of each other and begin kneading and twisting them. Okay, so hang on, let's wait a second. We're gonna roll it out like a hot dog and put it there, okay? Come here, come sit with me.
Let's hold it out.
You wanna do this one next too?
I'm gonna do
Can you bring it out like a hot dog, like that one? Here, get it really long, like when you play with your Play-Doh. Like this. All right, let's add the pink, and then we'll put them all together. You want to get it? Grab it all. Okay, roll it out like a hot doggy. You ready? Now you just get to squeeze them all together, like when you make a mess with your Play-Doh. Yeah, like when you get all the colors together. Here, let's put them together and twist. So we make like a rainbow. You love rainbows. Here,
For me.
Look at all those colors in there. Is that cool?
And me, I want it.
Okay, go ahead. Play with the slime. Oh, that's pretty cool. Did you have fun making slime?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I feel like this is a crafting win. It was totally worth spending a couple bucks at the office supply store to get what we needed to make this. It was about half an hour. She just turned 4, totally engaged the whole time. Anytime stuff is icky, I feel like it makes a great kids craft. So until next time, happy crafting. You want to say bye-bye?
Bye.
Yeah, I'll say bye better than that.
Bye.
Bye. You having fun with your slime? It's not sticking to you anymore, is it? That's cool.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bye. Have a